everyone, I'm Amy from Fair-Brightever. Welcome to our broadcasting room. Now let us continue with the production for tungsten carbide tipped circular saw blades. As told, we have designed and made a variety of circular saw blades to cut different materials like wood, metal, and plastic. Now please allow me to show you some of our circular saw blades for cutting different materials. This is a circular saw blade designed for cross-cutting of hardwood and softwood and all kinds of wood-based board. Diameter of this blade is 300 mm and the teeth number is 120. It's with ATBTs, that is the combination of left and right teeth, and like this. This is a left teeth, and this is a right teeth. Left teeth, right teeth, left teeth, and right teeth. The teeth is very sharp and is suitable for fine and smooth cross-cutting of wood. And this is a saw blade designed for cutting non-ferrous metals like aluminum profiles, aluminum solid, and copper. And for this blade, diameter of it is 300 mm, and the teeth number is 96, and it comes with TCT teeth. That is the combination of trapezoid teeth and flat teeth, and the orders are like this: trapezoid teeth, flat teeth, trapezoid teeth, and flat teeth. The teeth is really very sharp, and again, it's suitable for cutting non-ferrous metals. And the next one is a circular saw blade for cutting steel and iron. And the diameter of this saw blade is 250, and the teeth number is 48. And the teeth is with anti-kickback limiter design. And the teeth type is FTW teeth. FTW teeth is the combination of left teeth, flat teeth, and right teeth. For example, this one is a left teeth, and then comes a flat teeth, and the next one comes a right teeth. Left teeth, flat teeth, right teeth. Left teeth, left teeth, type teeth, flat teeth, and right teeth. Left teeth, flat teeth, right teeth. And this saw blade is designed for steel and iron cutting. And the next one is a saw blade designed for cutting plastic like fiberglass or PVC. Diameter of this blade is 300 mm, and the teeth number is 96. And it also with ATBTs, and it's really very sharp and suitable for cutting plastics. Anyway, for the diameter of the saw blades, we can make it as small as 100 mm and as big as 1.8 meters. And the teeth types and the teeth numbers and the teeth sizes can all be custom made according to your requirement. And as for the package of the circular saw blades, it always comes with white box, color box, or blister. And we can all sell it by sets, like 2 pieces set, 3 pieces set, 5 pieces set. All can depend on your personal choice. So if you are interested in our circular saw blades, please come to us and email us at inform@fair-brightever.com. That's all my introduction for circular saw blades. Thank you for your listening.